What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for BABA. Last time I looked at this stock was on Wednesday. I was expecting price to bounce off of this 77, 78 level, which was prior support, but price did break down lower. So that's not a good sign at all. That's not what you want to see if you're a bull. If you're a bear, that is a good sign because price got back inside this yellow consolidation pattern. The yellow consolidation pattern range could be a little bit high. Range lows could be a little bit higher. So at first I had it here, but probably gets more touches right there, which is more obvious. And then the range highs are still at the high $77 level, 77, probably 78. So what now? Well, price got back in this yellow range, which is not a good sign. A lot of times when you see this, you'll see price go back all the way down to the lows. So it's going to probably take this entire up move right here all back. So there's a good chance that it could come back down to the lower 70s and the high 60s. So this is not good. Price is still below this downward trend line right here. So that shows the momentum is still strong to the downside. And the expectation is for price to fill in this gap right here and probably continue to trend down lower. Probably even to retest this starting point of the entire up move. So not a good sign at all. And especially because if price broke out on one side of the range, we could get a similar size breakout on the opposite side. Because this is a long trap technically, right? So, traders enter long. They're playing the breakout, but it looks like the breakout failed. So a lot of longs or people who buy are in a trade right now and they're have their stop losses at lower prices. So it looks like the price is coming for the stop losses, which could be right over here, and maybe some of them are moved it up to somewhere over here. So it looks like they're coming for the stop losses. So either way, price getting back inside the yellow range is not a good sign. Most likely we'll see more downside. Price doesn't just stop right here and randomly get back out. Normally it could have done that yesterday if price just did a quick like a little quick drop in and then a reverse, but since we got 2 days in here now, that's not a good sign at all. So more downside is expected for BABA based on the technicals. Now looking at the weekly chart, it's easy to see as well. We have 4 consecutive red weeks in a row. I'm pretty sure this week will also be closing red, and this was the prior support level right here, and you can see that BABA just fell below it. So that's not a good sign at all. Basically, it tells me that price tried 2 times to get back above that level and failed and stay above it. This is one attempt right here to get back above the $80 level. This was the second attempt to get back above the $80 level. They were able to push through, but immediately reversed. So that's not a good sign. This basically looks like a trend continuation. Whenever you see 2 legs and more dropping in a downtrend, then that's a trend continuation pattern. So just like over here, we had 2 legs up, 1 leg up here, a correction, second leg up, trend continue lower. Same thing right here. This is all 1 leg right here, correction, second leg up, trend continue lower. So you see it every time, even right here, even though this is a little bit harder to see, that we have 1 leg up right there. And then look at, we have the correction right here in the middle of the impulse. So we have 1 leg up, the correction, we have 4 bars going sideways, and then the second leg up, mark the top, and then a drop lower. So again, that happened several times already. This was once right here, this was the twice, this was third, and now we're seeing the fourth. So, and this is only one chart for one company. This pattern plays out throughout basically every market you could think of. It's all the same. So still very bearish looking, still making lower lows, lower highs, and just not looking strong as of right now. So it had a chance. The chance slipped through the hands of the bulls, and most likely we're going to probably be seeing the low 70s, possibly the high 60s, and possibly even lower from there. So that's all I have for Bob on the daily and weekly charts. I'll give you guys an update next week, Wednesday, most likely. And this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.